Hey y'all, it's Jen for Love a Virus. Welcome back to another video. Today is just a really quick tip on what to do if you need to stamp your image multiple times and you don't have a misti. I think a lot of us forget that we have this beautiful little tool, the stamp-a-ma-jig, and if you don't want to invest the money on a misti or um, you don't have the funds to invest money on a misti, this is a great alternative. So I'll show you how to do it. You just take a piece of cardstock, any cardstock, and maybe you have a stamp that you haven't used before, like this little flower stamp. I've not used it before, but I wanted to use it. And I was afraid when I inked it up, and I'm just using Memento Tuxedo Black, but I was afraid when I inked it up, it wasn't going to give me a good impression. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just leave my Stamp-a-ma-jig there. Anywhere on the paper, it doesn't really matter because I plan on cutting this out. And then pressing down my stamp and lifting. Now that's a decent impression, but it's just not black enough for me. I'd just like it to be a little bit more crisp. So I'm going to ink up my stamp one more time, leave everything exactly where it is, and hold my Stamp-a-ma-jig and stamp down again. And that is a perfect image. Stamped twice using a Stamp-a-ma-jig, and you didn't have to invest money on a misti, or maybe you couldn't find the tools to build one. I made a video where you can build a misti. Maybe you couldn't find those projects. I'll link to that below, but this is just a great alternative, and we have this tool, most of us do, in our stamp room. If you don't, it's super cheap and it's wonderful. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something, and have a great day. Bye.